Problem 1. Given the following data, change, increase or decrease, the value of the data variable A through the pointer variable in at least 3 different ways. Not 3 different ways like that. Hint. P equals ampersand A. A is a variable and ampersand A is to get the address from a variable. Next, integer value equals asterisk P. P is a variable. This variable has data as an address. When you write integer value equals asterisk P, it is equivalent to writing integer value equals A. That is, asterisk P is the embodiment of variable A. Problem 2. Given the following data, use the pointer variable P2 to access the value of the pointer variable P1 to get the value and memory address of the data variable A. Problem 3. Given the following function structure, add a complete myReference function to perform the request to return the memory address of the ref variable. Additional knowledge: integer asterisk function name, return integer pointer value. Problem 4. Describe the meaning and operating principle of the concept pointer to pointer from the exercise below. Use the pointer variable P2 to interact with the pointer P1 to get the value and memory address of the data variable A. Additional knowledge: integer asterisk P1 equals ampersand A. P1 is a level 1 pointer. Integer 2 asterisks P. P is a level 2 pointer. Integer 3 asterisks P2. P2 is a level 3 pointer. A level 2 pointer can contain a value that is the address of a level 1 pointer. A level 3 pointer can contain a value that is the address of a level 2 pointer. Problem 5. Lesson 1. All operations on array A must use a pointer variable to process. Given the following suggested code, write a program to perform the following requirements. 1. Output the elements in array A. 2. Output the odd elements in array A. 3. Calculate the sum of the elements that are prime numbers in array A. 4. Sort the elements in ascending order. 5. Delete the elements that are perfect squares.